What I wish I knew at 25 instead of 35. How to make money in real estate using leverage. The secret sauce? Leverage. Simply put, leverage means using borrowed money to increase the potential return on investment. Imagine buying a ₱1,000,000 property with just 200,000 pesos of your own money. That's leverage. Now here's the magic. With leverage, you can control more property with less cash. For example, let's say you buy a condo worth 2 million pesos with a 20% down payment. That's 400K of your money and 1.6 million from a loan. If the property value goes up by 10%, that's 200K profit on your 400K investment, a 50% return. But wait, there's more. Leverage also allows you to diversify. Instead of putting all your money into one property, spread it across several investments. It's like having multiple lottery tickets instead of just one. However, remember to use leverage wisely. Too much debt can be risky. Always factor in potential expenses like maintenance, taxes, and interest rates. And of course, have a solid plan for steady rental income. So there you have it. Leverage can be your best friend in real estate, helping you grow wealth faster and smarter. Ready to dive in? Happy investing!